At least 87 people lost their lives after a US submarine struck and sank an Iranian warship in the Indian Ocean off the coast of Sri Lanka on Wednesday. Sri Lankan authorities confirmed that 32 crew members were rescued. The Iranian frigate IRINS Dena was carrying 180 personnel. The ship had recently participated in an international maritime exercise conducted by the Indian Navy in the Bay of Bengal from 18 to 25th February and had made a port call at Visakhapatnam just 2 weeks ago. Sri Lanka's Foreign Minister Vijitha Herath informed Parliament that the frigate sent a distress call about 40 nautical miles off the coast before sinking. Navy officials reported that rescuers found oil slicks, life rafts, and sailors floating in the water. US Defence Secretary Pete Hegseth confirmed that a torpedo fired from an American submarine sank the vessel near Sri Lanka's southern coast. He described the ship as Iran's prized vessel and said it was the first enemy warship sunk by a US torpedo since the Second World War. The US military had previously stated that it had destroyed 17 Iranian vessels, aiming to cripple Iran's naval capabilities. The IRINS Dena was one of Iran's newest warships, equipped with heavy guns, surface-to-air and anti-ship missiles, torpedoes, and a helicopter. In the year 2023, it had conducted a high-profile tour with its support ship IRIS Makran. Meanwhile, tension in the Middle East continued to escalate. US and Israeli forces have intensified attacks on Iran for the fifth consecutive day. Israel reported that an F-35 jet shot down an Iranian Yak-130 fighter over Tehran and intercepted missile barrages, with explosions heard near Jerusalem. Iran postponed the mourning ceremony for Supreme Leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, who was reportedly killed earlier in the conflict. The crisis has also spread across the Gulf. Iran's Revolutionary Guard claimed full control of the Strait of Hormuz, a vital passage through which about 1/5 of the world's oil passes. Saudi Arabia reported another drone attack on its Aramco Ras Tanura refinery but said no damage occurred. Drone strikes also targeted the US Embassy in Saudi Arabia and the US Consulate in the UAE, prompting Washington to evacuate non-essential personnel. In Kuwait, an Iranian drone strike on a military operations center killed 6 American soldiers. Air sirens were heard across Bahrain, home to the US Navy's 5th Fleet. Qatar's defense ministry reported that Iran fired 2 ballistic missiles, one of which hit Al-Udeid Qatari base but didn't cause casualties. Turkey said NATO forces intercepted an Iranian missile before it entered Turkish airspace. This attack marks a dramatic escalation in the ongoing conflict between the US, Israel, and Iran, raising concerns about wider instability across the region.